Hi guys, my name is Ferdy and in this video I will talk about Astra Starter Templates 2.0, an easy and amazing way to import complete websites with a few clicks. If you're new here, consider to subscribe, and if you like this video, please like this video. Now let's get started. So what I have over here is a brand new installation of WordPress. If I take a look at the front end, it looks like this. So we are going to make something beautiful in a few minutes and I will show you how. First I want to clean up my website a bit, so I go to the posts. I want to get rid of them, send them to the trash. Then I go to the trash can and I say empty the trash. I go to the dashboard, go to pages, do the same, bulk action, move to the trash, go to the trash and empty the trash. Then the last thing, plugins, deactivate and delete. So I have a brand new installation, I cleaned it up and now I'm going to install Starter Templates 2.0. I click on add new here at plugins and I search for Starter Templates. And there they are. Last update 4 hours ago. I click on install now, already 300,000 installations, good reviews, and this plugin is getting better and better. The goal of Astra, the maker of Starter Templates, is to let people make websites in a really short time. And they're really helping us. So I've installed the plugin. I can click over here, or I can click over here, or I go to Appearance, Starter Templates. And now we can choose our page builder. I use Elementor. If you use something else, you can choose it over here. I click on Elementor, and now you see a lot of templates. But it is not just a template, it is a complete kit. If I click over here, you do not see one page. You can scroll over here to see how it looks, but you see a complete website. A lot of pages in the same style. You can take a look if you like it. And if you want to, you can import the complete site. I go back. What you see is there are agency websites over here. That means you need to get Astra Agency, which is a premium package that you can get at wpastra.com. I want to use it free themes and free templates at this moment, so I go over here to all and I click on free. Over here you can also select blog template kits or business template kits, e-commerce. I set it on all. Let me see if there's something I like. This looks nice. So I click over here and I want to import this complete website. So I click on import complete site over here. And if I have a previous website, I can say delete previous imported website. If you do that, keep in mind that all the data will be gone of your old website. I click on import and now I need to wait for a minute. And Astra Starter Templates will do everything for us. As you see, it's activating Elementor, WP Forms Lite. It's importing the content. So it is finished. I click on visit site. This is our website. Isn't that beautiful? A beautiful video in the background. It looks professional, nice animations, beautiful images, all for free. So how can we adjust it? Maybe I want to have different colors in my website. You can do a few things. First, go to customize. Then I go to global colors, base colors, and here are the yellow colors. I want to change them. Maybe I want to have something else. Maybe I want to have this color. I copy this color. I paste it over here. And I also paste it here. And I want to make this color a little bit lighter because it's a hover color or darker. Publish. Then we can go back to the buttons. Change those colors. Background. Paste it. And there it goes. Of course, you need to change the logo. I publish it, I close it, I open the website with Elementor. Then I click over here, I go to style and I see the same color is used. So I paste my color over here and then right mouse click, copy, and then paste the style, paste the style. So I want to change this color of this image. How can I do that? It's an image, so how can I fix that? I go to Style, scroll down, CSS filters, go to Hue, and scroll it until I think, okay, those colors look the same. Right mouse click, copy, paste the style, paste the style, paste the style, and then here below I cannot change it. Why? Because it's a different area. It's the footer. How can I do that? I click over here, close this, then I edit with Elementor, then I click on the footer. I can close this for now. And now I can paste it also over here. That's how easy it is. What else? I go back to the dashboard. I go to the website, edit with Elementor. The great thing about this amazing plugin is that it will save you so much time. So if I want to add a new block to my website, like, hey, I'm missing something, I can click on the plus over here. I click on the Astra icon, and now I can again choose from all those amazing pages. I want to add a block, so I can click on blocks, and there are tons of blocks, and they are in black and white because the theme style will determine how this will come out. So it will not come out black and white, but in colors. So let me see. Maybe I like this area. Then I click on import block, and then it looks like this. So look at this. I click over here. I go to style. I change the color, or I remove it clear. Then I click on image. And now over here we can import images directly from Pixabay. Free images. So maybe I like a mountain. I can scroll, beautiful images, and then I can click over here, save and insert, and there it is. Then I can go to the overlay, make it dark, less transparent, increase the opacity, so that is how it is done. What I also can do, I update it. I click on the eye, so I go to the website. Maybe I want to add a new page. So I hover over new page and I say services. I publish it. Then I go to appearance, menus, and I want to add this to our menu over here. Save it. Then I click on my WordPress. I go to the page services. I click on edit page, then edit with Elementor. I click on the Astra icon and I can also import a complete page, which can be from a different template. So let me see, maybe I want to import this over here. This page, services. I click on it, import template, and that is how it is done. I click over here, go to style, I change the color, and in that way I can change everything to the style of the website. I want to have a different image, style, click over here, free images from Pixabay. Astra is doing everything to save you time. Save and insert, and that's it, there it is. So, update. And if you think, you know what, I want to change everything, start over again, click on the eye, go to the backend, I close this, then go to appearance, starter templates, and then I want to have a free e-commerce website. This one. And I say, you know what, I start from scratch, import a complete site. Then over here, I can say delete the previous imported site. It will be removed completely. Also the plugins that come with it. I click on import. Now I view the site and look at this, how beautiful it looks. Not only that, we also have a web shop. So if I click over here, look at this, it looks beautiful, related products. Of course, we can change this to euros or dollars. We can configure this. By the way, if you want to know how to create an e-commerce website, go to YouTube and there you can search for WooCommerce tutorial 30, because then you will see mine first. That one. I've also tutorials about how to make a complete website from scratch, but this is what you can do with starter templates. They are going to add more template kits. So let me show you what you can do with Astra Agency. If you go to 30corp.com/Astra, over here you can see Astra Pro, Astra Mini Agency, and then Astra Agency. If you have the Mini Agency, you can have 60 plus more agency starter templates. So let me show you if I upgrade. So let me show you what you can do with Astra Agency. I installed it. Meanwhile, I click over here. I go to Appearance, Starter Templates. I select Agency, and let's go for e-commerce. This looks beautiful. So I click over here. Okay. Looks great. I click on Import Complete Site. Remove older one and import. And now it looks like this. Does it look professional or does it? This looks amazing. I click over here. Beautiful. Other pages, lookbook. Just with a few clicks. I hope you're as excited as I am. I think this is changing the way we make websites. Everything needs to be done faster. People learn how to make websites themselves. And if you can do it in a few clicks and adjust things and save a lot of time so you can focus on your business, I think that's a win for everyone, except for the people that make websites for a living. But they need to step up their game so they become so good that people still want to make use of them. So win, win, win. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like this video, but even more, please subscribe to this YouTube channel because it makes me happy and I can provide you with new upcoming videos. And you will be the first that gets a notification when you click on the bell icon. So it's up to you. And I want to say, have a great day. Enjoy your life. And maybe one day we'll meet each other. Bye-bye. Okay, that was weird. Later!